And I just had a great conversation with Trevor Shorey, who is from Australia, and they build out pharmacies and other things in that industry in Australia. And we were talking about cybersecurity and the threat to the cannabis industry. And he says it's been a big issue down in Australia. He personally knows of a couple businesses that have lost $1 million or more by sending out fake payments. And he believes that the cannabis industry is a big target right now because of the turmoil that's in the industry, but also because it's a young industry and that people are not yet mature in how they run their businesses. They don't have the right policies in place to protect their business. The other thing that came up is that it's other people's money a lot of the time. So there are a lot of investors in the cannabis space. And so these are regular business people, they're private equity firms, they're day-to-day businesses that are investing in the cannabis space, hoping to make money. Well, the people that are writing the checks, that are paying the phishing scams, that are sending money out for these scams, it's not their money. Even if it's the owner of the business, it's not their money, it's somebody else's money. And that increases the risk significantly. So we want to be careful out there. Make sure your business has policies in place. Make sure that two people are involved in deciding to send out big payments. Make sure that somebody else is checking out the validity of it. Pick up the phone, call the person that's asking for the money, make sure that they are legitimate. So if you have questions on this, if you want to know better how to protect your business, give us a call. Colorado Computer Support, we service companies all over the country. We specialize in cybersecurity and IT support. We're experts at this. Give us a call. Our number is 719-439-0599. Our website is www.coloradosupport.com. And you can also find us on LinkedIn, Facebook. If you like these YouTube videos, please subscribe. Please share it with your friends. And any industry you're in, be careful about sending money. Anytime something new comes up, be careful about sending money. I know we harp on it. We talk about it over and over and over again. It's because it's such a big issue. So have a great rest of your week. And click on one of the videos to the side to watch some more.